I don't know if you guys can see, but I promise you, right down in the center of this is the biggest freaking black bear. Well, the only black bear I've ever seen. He's right in the center of this. There, he's walking that way. Holy. Oh my gosh. That thing was huge. Alright, so I hiked to the waterfall and I'm now standing directly under it. This might be one of the most amazing scenes I've ever done. It's a long hike and I'm dirty and I smell like crap and I don't know where my boy is, but he didn't want to break his ankles and come up here, so, but it's pretty freaking cool.